Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and once again TCS has released the next date for TCS Free NQT exam 2025, and the next date is 20 of March 2025. Okay, so here you can see, so today only they have sent an email, so from TCS, okay, date Monday 17th March 2025 for 53 p.m. TCS NQT All India Batch 2025 20 of March admit card download. Please be informed that admit card of TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, which will be scheduled on Thursday March 2025, is now available to download by login at the link given below. User password, your registration number will be your first time login password. Please note that you have to first reset your password to download your admit card, and steps to reset the password. So all these details has been given. Okay, now, so friends, anyway, when you are going to write the exam, few things which you have to keep in mind, that is what I will tell you. Other than that, you already know, correct? Okay, so there will be a link which will be given to you. If you click on this link, then you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, so login for TCS NQT All India Batch 2025. Kindly log in to view application assessment related activities. Your registration number will be your first time login password. Kindly change your password with combination of alphanumeric, okay, numeric, symbolic, uppercase and lowercase with minimum length of 8 character. So you can put your password like Pratik, okay, at 1234 P capital, okay, and your registration number, and first time your password will be nothing but your registration number. Clear? And then you have to put this, okay. And also friends, if somehow if you want to if you forget your password later or user ID, then you can reset from here. Okay, so you can click on forget user ID and password. Now for your preparation friends, I just want to tell you, so already we have uploaded so many videos. If you go to our channel, here you can see, so the coding question which was asked in TCS NQT on 15th of March, okay, and also there here TCS Free NQT next exam date and things like that, and here shift to analysis I have done. So shift to analysis, all, so few of the questions which has been solved. And then if you see here TCS NQT last minute tips and tricks, TCS NQT how many questions minimum you have to solve, final mock test, okay, and then again here you see time and work part 1, then mock test, okay. So already so many videos has been done, okay, and here TCS NQT mock test, okay. So this, all these questions you have to do, and these live sessions are very, very important. So if you have not watched, so before you go for the examination, you watch. So here one short so this is the exam analysis first shift, and one short reasoning videos, and one short aptitude videos. Already 75,000 people have watched this, okay. So 75,000, you can see people have trust on Online Study for You, and that is the reason if you see the question which they got in examination, right, so it is exactly similar type of videos has been done in TCS NQT crash course. And even if you see this videos, percentage and profit and loss, 45,000 views here. So whatever questions were done, similar pattern of the questions were asked in the examination. In fact, investment into time ratio, so this was done in the one short video. So everything has been covered here, so go through the live session, and most of the questions were there from our TCS NQT crash course as it is, okay. So this I am not telling, students were only telling. And see, because the question which I solved, a few questions you might have seen what kind of questions were asked, so that was the part of our TCS NQT crash course only. So that's only I was telling, if you would have bought it for 1400 rupees, there was some discount, you would not have regretted this. But now many of the students are telling, sir, in aptitude I was able to solve 6 questions, 5 questions, 7 questions, okay. So definitely that will be one of the issue. Anyway, now let us come back. Your exams is going to happen in 2 shift, okay. So here again they have given you the link. With this link you have to definitely apply, okay, download your admit cards, okay. So you will be getting the mails, and based on that, now your exams will be happening in 2 shifts. One will be at 9 a.m. okay, and another will be at 2 p.m. So 2 shifts there, your exams will be happening 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. Those who have not received, okay, so those who have not received the admit card mail still, So I would like to tell you, you need to wait, okay, and then you will be able to get that. So please wait it. So already TCS is sending the admit card emails and all, okay. So make sure that you reach 1 hour before. Make sure you reach 1 hour before. If your exam is at 9 a.m. then 8 a.m. If your exam is at 2 p.m. then 1 p.m. you have to reach, because half an hour gate closing will happen. Okay, so student has reached 8 a.m. admit card plus 1 photo they will be asking you. Okay, so admit card plus 1 photo is required. Okay, on top of that admit card you have to put DL or Aadhaar card. If you are not getting it, in case they can give you affidavit, but don't go for the affidavit. Okay, clear, fine. Then friends, this will be your pattern. There is no confusion with respect to pattern. So numerical ability, logical reasoning and verbal ability. Friends, see, you can easily clear the exam from the beginning. I am telling you, if you are concentrated on only one resource. I could see in videos they will ask, sir, they will ask how many sources you are following. Are budwak aadmi, everyone teaching will be different. If you learn from me, if you learn from him, if you learn from her, same, see the same thing, percentage only. I will just taking one example. People will teach in different ways. You cannot learn. Instead, you will get confused. Okay, so that is the reason. That is the only reason we had launched TCS NQT crash course, so that you do not have to go anywhere else. Advanced aptitude reasoning, advanced coding, and mock test. The mock test which we released, the mock test, friends, many other students are able to do a lot better only because of the mock test. And that mock test was part of our, you see here. So this mock test, 5 mock tests as part of our TCS NQT. The result does not come simply here. We need to see. If you'll go to our, you see the results, that doesn't come simply. You have to put effort into it here. Result will not come simply and automatically. Okay, good. Advanced aptitude reasoning, 25 minutes, 15 question. Advanced coding, there will be 90 minutes. Okay, fine. So friend, this where the topic from exam level was easy to moderate. Exam was not very tough for the first shift. Okay, first shift 15th of March, and now you have to look at, okay, now we have to look at today's. So what will be the scene? Okay, here. So aptitude 12 question, 13 question, 10 to 12 question, like this people were able to do. So the topics, important topics were percentage, time and work, profit and loss, and then data interpretation question were also there. Simple and compound interest were also there. SCF were also there, number system, and then we had mensuration questions were there, quadratic equation questions were there, ratio and proportion questions were there, average questions were there, probability questions were there, DIAS, okay, floor based puzzle, coding, decoding, number series, syllogism, blood relation, direction. So all these topics. Verbal ability was little tricky. So verbal ability, we need to figure it out what you are going to do. Coding questions. So the coding questions which was asked. So here already we have discussed, right? So here coding questions already, if you go to our home page. So coding questions also we have discussed. We are already putting a lot of effort there, which you cannot even, think of, or you cannot even understand that how much effort we are putting for you. And that is the reason you see this year also we are going to give a lot of results. So there is no doubt. Just start putting the right effort in the right direction. That's all, your results will automatically come. So exam level will be easy, and the other things which I have put on the thumbnail. So your next exam will be happening very soon. Please don't worry about it. So right now 20 of March 2025 is the next exam date. Thank you. And see, you have to be very calm when you are writing the examination. Already you are prepared well. You just need to refresh, okay, your knowledge. You just need to do the revision, and that is the reason one short videos are here which are going to help you a lot in your revision. Okay, so you can see recording, you can see reasoning, you can see aptitude. Okay, and you must watch this video. Is must watch video. So here you see where is that? Are bhai, percentage and profit and loss. So this video will be a must watch video from my side, because percentage they are focusing more on the videos. Thank you. पक्का जॉब होगा, पक्का TCS निकलेगा. जो बोल रहा हूँ वो करो, जो पढ़ाया हूँ वही आ रहा है. Whatever I have taught you, that is what is coming in the examination. So if you are our crash course student, if you have written the mock test, then you will be more confident and you will be definitely doing better in the examination. Thank you. We'll meet you soon in the next video. We will bring some preparation videos for you all. So if you want us to get preparation videos, some videos if you want, please let us know what video you want, so that I will come live. Please put in the comment section so that I will come live and I will bring videos for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Chalo bhai.